This is the Avis lockout tagout in blue. My last video was about this little guy, and I said it, it had no security pins in it. It felt like all standard pins. So I had ordered this one and one more in black, to check the difference, just to see if there were no security pins or if it was just the way that it feels. But it feels like this one has spools, that one doesn't. So I'm gonna pick it and then maybe give some observations on the difference between the Master Lock and the Brady Avis. This is the keyway that spells Avis. So to tension it, I'm going to go into the top and bring it over here, which is, awkward for me, but then I'm going to use the long hook from Peterson. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3. 3, okay. So 2 little clicks out of 4. Going back to number 6, I believe. Got a little click out of him. Okay, so I'm going back to the beginning. Number 1 is binding, and I just got a little false set. So now number 2, 2 little clicks out of him. I had to let a little tension off. Feels like we already got number 3 set. Number 4 is binding. Or did I drop something? 2, 3, so 4 feels set. Going back to 5, nothing on. Nope, 2 little clicks out of 5. Back to number 6, it dropped down. I felt like 2 clicks out of 6. What's... So, see where we're at here, because it feels like feels like something's overset, so I let a little tension off. Number 6 feels like it's binding again. So I'm going to come back to the beginning. Little click out of number 1. 2 clicks out of number 2. Little click out of number 3. And another little click out of 2. Number 1's binding, and we're back in the false set. So, a little click out of number 6, and it's open. Okay. So the Master Lock and the Brady Avis lockout tagout. I had heard that these were better than these, and I will say these have better tolerances. That keyway is more restrictive. It's easy to drop something when you're going through dealing with the spool pins, but I don't know if I would say that it's exactly better than the Master Lock as far as the picking goes. This is the bidding for the Avis lockout, and this is the bidding for the Master Lock lockout tagout. I mean, with the bidding and the tolerances, having to push these pins up so much higher than these ones, the Brady gives you way better feedback than the Master Lock does. But Master Lock just puts crazy bidding on these things. I wouldn't say either of them is actually better. I would say that as far as this version of the Master Lock 410 and these Brady Abus lockout tagouts go, they're about neck and neck as far as I'm concerned.